This ice cream factory is huge. Look at all the colorful decorations and giant ice cream cones, George.
And it smells like strawberries and chocolate.
I've always wondered how ice cream is made. Today, we finally get to find out.
As the giant factory doors opened, Peppa and George stepped into a magical world of ice cream making.
There are so many machines. Some are mixing flavors, and some are making giant swirls of ice cream.
Look at the strawberry machine. It's making pink ice cream rivers.
So this is where ice cream ingredients go.
Ice cream is made by mixing ingredients like milk, fruit, sugar, and flavors together.
I want extra strawberry flavor.
The ice cream cones are moving all by themselves.
It's like an ice cream train.
I wonder where all the cones are going next. Uh-oh. Why is that machine shaking?
I think something strange is happening.
Peppa and George had no idea what crazy ice cream problem was about to happen next.
Oh dear. The machine is shaking even more now.
And the rainbow syrup is bubbling everywhere.
I think something is wrong with the ice cream mixer. Wait a minute. The machine is adding too many ingredients.
That's a lot of strawberries.
And too much chocolate, too. If we mix too many ingredients, the machine might overflow.
The ice cream is exploding.
We need to stop the machine before the whole factory gets covered in ice cream. Factories use machines very carefully. Maybe we need to slow the mixer down first.
Can we press the big blue button?
Maybe, but we should think before pressing random buttons.
What does this button do?
George, wait.
It's raining sprinkles.
The topping machine is completely out of control. I know what we need to do. We have to cool the machine down before it overheats.
The freezing room.
Exactly. Let's hurry before the factory gets covered in melted ice cream.
Peppa and George rushed toward the freezing room. But even bigger ice cream surprises were waiting inside.
Brr, this room is so cold.
My nose feels frozen already.
I think this is where the factory keeps the ice cream cold and creamy. Look at the ice cream, moving through the freezing tunnels.
The cold air is stopping it from melting.
Ice cream needs very cold temperatures to stay frozen.
Oh no, the machine is still overheating.
It's too warm from all the mixing.
We need more cold air to cool it down. George, I found the giant cooling fan.
That fan is huge.
If we turn it on, maybe it can cool the machine fast enough.
I think this button makes it stronger.
George, that's way too much cold air. It's working. The machine is finally cooling down.
The ice cream looks creamy again.
Cold temperatures help keep ice cream smooth and frozen.
Peppa?
Wow, this machine is even bigger than the others.
It looks like a giant rainbow volcano.
I think this must be the factory's main ice cream machine.
Look at all the rainbow ice cream.
The machine mixes all the flavors together before freezing them.
Factories carefully mix ingredients and cold temperatures together to make creamy ice cream.
Oh no, the pressure is building up again.
The rainbow syrup is moving too fast.
If the machine gets too full, it could overflow everywhere. The machine needs the right balance of mixing and cooling.
So it can't be too hot or too cold.
That's right. The factory needs both at the correct amount.
Peppa, look at that huge lever.
I think that lever controls the freezing power.
Should we pull it?
Only a little bit. Carefully this time. It worked. The machine is finally stable again.
And the ice cream looks perfect now.
The right temperature and careful mixing help make smooth ice cream.
Whoa, it's even bigger up close.
That's the biggest rainbow ice cream I've ever seen. And look at all the colorful scoops. Strawberry, vanilla, chocolate, and rainbow swirl.
Peppa and George had saved the giant ice cream machine. But their sweetest surprise was still waiting ahead.
Today we learned that ice cream needs careful mixing and very cold temperatures.
Too much heat can melt it.
And freezing helps keep it smooth and creamy.
This is the yummiest ice cream ever.
I think saving the machine made the ice cream taste even better. Making ice cream takes teamwork, careful mixing, and lots of cooling.
And lots of yummy flavors too.
What flavor ice cream would you make?
See you next time for another adventure.